Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best portable workbench on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. WorkPro Portable Workbench. WorkPro is the portable miter saw and workbench all in one. This workbench will be your go-to tool for many projects and renovations. The WorkPro miter saw stand features a durable and lightweight construction, which makes it portable, collapsible and straightforward to assemble. Designed with a heavy-duty but lightweight cast iron base, the WorkPro Portable Workbench is a versatile miter saw stand, desk and table all in one. The work table can be closed and can be used as a wheel dolly when folded. It can also be used as a platform for pruning branches, painting walls and much more. The adjustable legs are made of steel and have heavy-duty caster wheels. This portable workbench helps make the tedious job of painting and decorating much more convenient. It is perfect for miter saws, routers and drill presses. The detachable miter saw stand features a 3-point clamp system that locks tools in place. It is made of tubular steel and includes locking casters. Quick assembly is guaranteed with the easy-to-follow instructions. Number 4. PowerTech Portable Workbench. PowerTech Portable Workbench provides a stable platform for the enthusiast and professional carpenter. Featuring a sturdy metal top with built-in vise, this workbench provides a strong and durable work surface for projects. With an adjustable vise, a table clamp and 4 bench dogs included, this portable workbench is ideal for metalworking, woodworking, and it even includes a built-in ruler along the edge of the table. Help organize your workspace and minimize clutter with this versatile PowerTech portable workbench. It offers a top-notch 65 length by 19.5 width and 30 height workspace. It has a flat surface with a smooth and even finish for stable working. This workbench comes in multiple color choices with a sturdy bamboo top surface and a rugged MDF wood frame. It's lightweight and portable, so you can take it with you wherever you go. Its surface can also be used as a cutting table. The PowerTech 4-in-1 Deluxe Bamboo Top Workbench is crafted with modern touches. It comes with solid wooden, with a glossy finish to match the bamboo top. This workbench has the features of a full-size workbench, but it's sized right to fit your garage space. Number 3. Performance Tool Portable Workbench. The Performance Tool Portable Workbench is ideal for woodworking and metalworking projects. The tabletop features a spacious work area with a top vise, and the workbench folds up for easy storage. The workbench frame is made of tubular steel, and the workbench can handle a load capacity of 200 pounds. The tabletop is made of a non-conductive reinforced composite material. It is very versatile and is great for any situation where you need to put up some stuff temporarily. It is very easy to assemble, and it comes with a convenient carrying handle for easy portability. The best part about this workbench is that it can work for a lot of different situations like assembling furniture, in the garage or in the backyard. You can also use it for working on vehicles. The most versatile tool on the market will help you with any project. You can even use the workbench for fishing or hunting where you have to stabilize your rifle or fishing rod. Number 2. Omnitable Portable Workbench. Omnitable is a 4-in-1 portable workbench, work table, dolly, scaffold and creeper that provides all the benefits of a professional workbench at a fraction of the cost. This heavy-duty, multi-use product is constructed of steel tube, premium quality plywood top, height-adjustable locking casters, a plywood rear shelf, and a high-density foam top that provides comfortable support during lengthy jobs. Its 4-in-1 design allows it to be used as a workbench, work table, scaffolding, or a creeper, and it's easily transported wherever it's needed. It's a work tool that's as tough as it is versatile, and it's built to last. This portable work table tool comes with a 10-piece blue mold carbon HSS jigsaw blade set that includes a variety of cutting lengths and a carrying case to keep everything organized and easy to find. The Omnitable is the ideal portable warrior platform for your shop or job site. This super affordable workbench is an extremely versatile 4-in-1 system that works as a standalone portable workbench that fits most major brand tools. It can also be transformed into a handy scaffold by adding the Omnitable scaffold strap set. It also features a useful folding creeper tool that is ideal for under-vehicle repair and maintenance work. Number 1. Black Plus Decker Portable Workbench. Black Plus Decker Portable Workbench is ideal for the handyman or woman who wants a folding workbench that's easy to move and store. The portable workbench features a sturdy steel frame for superior durability and a large magnetic surface for holding tools. It takes up very little floor space. It also has a built-in vise that can be used to clamp work down and give you a secure place to grip or hammer. This portable workbench features a steel frame for superior durability, an integrated magnetic strip for holding tools, and a built-in vise for clamping work down. The workbench takes up very little floor space. The vise can be used to clamp wood, metal, plastics and other materials. The surface measures 24 by 15 inches. It has a 4.5-pound maximum capacity. It folds compactly for easy storage. This workbench is a solid, sturdy work area to help provide a stable platform for the job at hand. With a maximum load capacity of 800 pounds, the workbench can hold up to the toughest jobs. The portable workbench also includes a lifetime hardware warranty for added peace of mind. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.